How to travel Europe on $50 a day. Traveling Europe doesn't have to break the bank. Imagine exploring iconic cities, tasting delicious foods, and immersing yourself in rich cultures, all while sticking to a $50 daily budget. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets to affordable European adventures. Get ready for budget-friendly travel tips that don't compromise the fun. Transportation is often the biggest expense, but you can save big with the right tricks. Start by booking budget airlines like Ryanair or EasyJet, and don't forget to check for flash sales. If you plan ahead, you can snag flights for as low as $10. Trains are a fun, scenic way to travel through Europe. Consider a Eurail pass for major savings, especially if you're hopping between countries. For shorter distances, buses like Flixbus or BlaBlaCar rideshares are unbeatable in price and convenience. Travel light. Having carry-on luggage saves on airline fees and ensures you're flexible to grab cheap public transportation. Plus, lighter packing makes spontaneous adventures a breeze. Forget expensive hotels. There are plenty of cozy, affordable options out there. Hostels are a budget traveler's best friend. Many offer not just beds, but free breakfasts, city tours, and great social vibes. Check platforms like Hostelworld for deals starting as low as $10 a night. If hostels aren't your thing, try short-term rentals on platforms like Airbnb. Opt for private rooms or shared apartments, which often feel more homely and cost less than hotels. Bonus: they often include a kitchen, perfect for eating in and saving money. Want to pay zero for accommodation? Embrace couchsurfing. Stay with locals who offer free lodging and get insider tips for your destination. It's a fantastic way to make friends and enjoy a more authentic experience. Craving authentic European flavors without splurging? Start by hitting up local markets for fresh, inexpensive meals. Pick up bread, cheese, and fruits for under $5. Picnics in a park with views of the Eiffel Tower or Roman ruins? Yes, please! Street food is another must-try. From crepes in Paris to bratwurst in Germany, the best cheap eats are often found at food trucks or local stalls. Don't skip the lunchtime meal deals. Many restaurants offer hearty portions at discounted prices between 3 p.m. Cook your own meals. If your accommodation has a kitchenette, cooking with friends or fellow travelers saves loads. Shop at discount grocery stores like Aldi or Lidl for budget ingredients without sacrificing quality. Some of Europe's most iconic experiences are free. In London, the British Museum and National Gallery cost nothing. Stroll through parks like Parc Güell in Barcelona or the gardens at Versailles for breathtaking views without spending €1. Many cities offer free walking tours led by locals. It's a fun way to soak up history, make friends, and pay only what you can in tips. Look these up online beforehand or ask your hostel for recommendations. Travel outside peak tourist seasons to score free or discounted admission to attractions. While everyone is crowding summer hotspots, you'll enjoy smaller crowds and savings during spring or fall. Budget travel doesn't mean sacrifice, it's about spending smart. Always carry a reusable water bottle to save on constant drink purchases. Fill it up at fountains or public taps, especially in countries like Italy, where free water is everywhere. Buy city passes or discount cards that bundle attractions, public transport, and more for one low price. In Paris or Berlin, these can save you over 50% compared to paying individually. Lastly, learn basic phrases of the local language. A simple please or thank you in the native tongue can earn you kindness, and sometimes even local discounts or advice other tourists don't know. Stay connected with friends and family back home without spending a fortune. Ditch expensive roaming plans and grab a local SIM card with prepaid data when you arrive. $10 can get you plenty. Free Wi-Fi is widely available across Europe in cafes, public squares, and hostels. Download offline maps and translation apps ahead of time, so you're always prepared, even without a connection. Consider group travel apps like Splitwise to share expenses with fellow travelers. It makes splitting bills for food, transportation, or tours hassle-free and keeps everyone's budget in check. Traveling Europe on $50 a day isn't just possible. It's memorable, exciting, and incredibly rewarding. Whether it's soaking in free landmarks, savoring local foods, or sharing lodgings with new friends, this guide proves you don't need a big wallet for big adventures. Now it's your turn! Start planning your budget European trip today. Hit that subscribe button for more affordable travel tips and share this video with fellow explorers. Bon voyage! And don't forget to chase those travel dreams, one budget-friendly step at a time.